Hey mathematicians, it's Miss Childers. I am here to talk about the most exciting thing we're doing in math, and it's called the Do You Like game. We are going to be mathematicians today and take a survey. So survey is a new word we're going to be talking about. That's a big word. Can you say it? Survey. Survey, very good. And a survey is basically a question. That's right, I said it. It's just a question. And when you do a survey or if you ask a question, you are collecting information from your friends. Yeah. So we're going to be collecting information or data from our friends by giving a survey. So I've already done this with my friends and I wanted to show you the results of my survey. So in a survey, mathematicians ask a question and collect all the answers, okay? So here was my question. Are you ready? It's a do you like question. Do you like applesauce? That's my question. So if you can tell, there's only two answers to my question. The first answer you can answer is yes, and the second answer is no, okay? Those are my two answers. So look at all the students that said, yes, I do like applesauce. These are my kiddos who like applesauce. Now let's look at this column. N-O, what does that spell? These are the kids who said, no, I do not like applesauce. Let's look at those kids. Wow. Look at that. So this is my information. These are my answers. That's a lot of answers, isn't it? I want to ask you a question. I'm not giving you a survey, don't worry. How many kids in my class said, no, I do not like applesauce? Did you count? Let's see if we can figure out how many kids in my class said, no, I do not like applesauce. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. 8 kids said no. 8 kids. Wow. All right, now here's my next question. How many kids said, yes, I love applesauce? Can you count them? All right, now I'm going to count and double check your counting to see how many kids said, yes, I do like applesauce. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. So 10 kids said, yes, I do like applesauce. Wow. So in my survey, here's how we're going to organize the information. 8 kids said, no, yuck, I don't like applesauce. And 10 kids said, yes, I do like applesauce. Now, you don't know my class, but I'm wondering if you could figure out how many kids all together answered my survey. I want to know how many answers I have, because that means I know how many kids took my survey. So how many kids were in my class? What could I do? I could count them all, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could do all that and go all the way and count all, but I want you to look right here. I already know that there's 8 on this side and there's 10 on that side. Is there something I could do to figure out how many I have? I could make an equation and I could do my 8 kids that said no plus my 10 kids that said yes. What is 8 plus 10? You should know this. 10. Then I'm going to add 8. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. My answer is 18. I had 18 kids answer my question. That's right. Now, which one is more? Did I have more kids say yes, or did I have more kids say no? This one has more, doesn't it? The number 10 is bigger than the number 8. So today, dun dun dun, you are going to turn to your page in your math book, page 134 in your math book, and you get to give a survey. Now, if you are at home, you're going to do a survey with the people at home. If you're taking a trip today, maybe go to Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru and ask the person in the drive-thru. Try to get as many people to answer your survey as you can. But now here's the tricky part. What are you going to ask? You can ask anything. I asked, do you like applesauce? Now, we are asking that it's a do you like question. So there's only 2 answers, yes or no, okay? And you have this paper, so you can record your answers or write down your answers on this paper, okay? A do you like? You could say, do you like cats? Do you like flying a kite? Some people will say no to that because they can get tangled and it's going to be a big mess. Do you like the rain? Do you like snakes? Do you like grapes? Do you like the dark? Do you like funny movies? Do you like vegetables? Okay, so I want you to really think about what you want to ask when you give your survey, okay? And once you give your survey, remember, when they give you a question, or when they give you an answer to your question, you have to write it down on your paper. I chose to write down names. That way I could remember who I've asked. I could keep track with that, okay? So if you don't have lots and lots of people, maybe you could do check marks under yes or no. Maybe you could draw the people who said yes or no, okay? There's a lot of different ways to record your answers, but make sure you're separating them on the yes versus the no, and you're writing down some way that when you come back, you'll be able to count them easily, okay? Because I'm going to be asking some questions, oh yes, about how many, okay? So think of your question, write it down, do you like, and then fill in the blank, and then get to surveying. Have fun!